Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open ZSky AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on sign in button in the top right corner. You can sign in to ZSky AI with your Google account, Apple account, Microsoft account, or with your email address and many more options. It's completely up to you. Also, make sure to check the age confirmation and terms and condition box. For this video, I'll go with my Google account. So let's complete the sign in process. After sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on create button from the top menu bar. A new workspace will opens. Here you can create AI images and AI videos. So select video. Here you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into ZSky AI. Also, select the aspect ratio, video quality, duration of the video, and then finally hit the submit button. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. This free tool, ZSky AI, gives you limited free generation as a sign-up bonus. Also, this free tool adds a logo at the ends of the video. If you want to remove the logo, simply download the video and trim the ending later so you can get rid of the logo. One more thing, if you want to generate longer video content once your generation limit is reached, simply sign up again with a different Google account or email address or the other method you used before and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go, a free AI video with ZSky has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. Now the question is how to download it. Let's try. Click on creations from the top menu bar and select videos. Here you'll find all of your generations and you can simply download your generated video right from here. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.